JD Restorations in Miami, Florida, 4.7 stars across 208 reviews. A reputation like that gets earned one flooded home at a time. This review isn't about their work, it's about their marketing. And I found leaks. We ran a live scan for Water Damage Restoration Company across a 5-mile radius around their location. They appear in Google's top 3 map pack at just 4% of the area we checked. 4%. And here's the frustrating part. When they do show up, they rank second on average. So this is not a reputation problem. Google simply isn't surfacing them across most of their own service area. In an emergency trade, the map pack is where the phone rings. Nobody comparison shops while water is coming through the ceiling. We also found Meta's tracking pixel on the site, but 0 active ads under their name in Meta's public ad library, and no Google Ads conversion tag anywhere. People who need a restoration company search Google. That's the highest intent traffic in this industry, and there's no sign they're capturing it, or even measuring it, which connects to the next finding. No analytics detected on the site at all. No Google Analytics, no Tag Manager. Without it, there's no way to know which marketing produces calls and which quietly burns money. If this were my account, that's fix number 1. You can't plug leaks you can't see. Now the on-page basics. 43 of the 46 images on their homepage have no alt text. That's the invisible label that tells Google what a photo shows. For a company sitting on before and after restoration photos, that's free visibility left on the table. Same homepage, no meta description, so Google writes its own blurb for them in search results, and it usually writes a worse one than you would. And the page carries 2 H1 headings instead of 1, which muddies the main topic signal instead of reinforcing a single clear keyword. Last one, there's no video anywhere on the homepage, and their YouTube channel's most recent upload is 74 months old, over 6 years. Video builds trust faster than anything in this trade, and right now, that trust engine is sitting in the garage. Here's the bigger point. Everything I just covered is basic. Any agency worth its retainer should catch a missing conversion tag or a dead analytics setup. But across this industry, agencies collect monthly fees while junior staff juggle 80 accounts, and nobody actually looks. If someone's being paid to run this marketing, they should have caught every one of these. And here's what most owners don't know yet. With AI, these exact fixes can now run automatically. With a bit of guidance, you can bring this in-house, own the whole thing, and never depend on an agency again. JD Restorations, the reviews prove the work is there. Now the marketing needs to catch up. If you run a local service business and want us to find what's leaking in your marketing, free audit, link below.
Now, if you're the owner of this business, the good news is that everything we found is fixable and fast. And if you want our help in fixing it, plus a complete system that will help you take control over your lead generation system built inside your account using AI and automation so that you would never need a marketing agency ever again, visit localservicemastery.com and book a demo call to see how we can help you. For the rest of you, I'll see you guys here in the next review.